where was I? Yeah, if suppose I'm using 100 unit of energy, okay, imagine 20 of it is only used by the lifts, and बाकी का lighting load है, HVAC है, तुम्हारा ये shoot system है, fire है, what not, and there are so many others, okay. So yeah, this will really help. Then you have machine roofless, which is far more and good. Na? People love this. Architects love this because we don't have to provide machine roof. Like, yeah. All things that requires to control a lift is within the shaft. मेरा headache गया है ना. I don't have to think of the height. I don't have to provide a room. It saves my cost of building a room and maintaining that. फिर उसमें मुझे ventilation का सोचना है, and everything is just cut off. So see, this is it. So this is the old one where you had this kind of a machine room at the top, and that blue thing is where that तुम्हारा सब कंट्रोल रहेगा, and this is that wheel जिससे तुम्हारा काउंटर बैलेंस and your कैब का जो स्टील रोप रहता है that is hung there. ठीक है. While here you see two options are given. One, the control is at the bottom, and this the control is at the top. Either way, it depends. Okay? But these are some of the new technologies that have now come up and really helping people to evolve in their. सब ना गड़बड़ हो गया है. So then the second one is your regenerative drives, and finally is the ropes. So क्या है regenerative drive? Again, this is amazing technology. Okay, it is about so as I told you, you have the steel rope, है ना, और आपका rope ऊपर से friction होके आ रहा है, and it's creating amazing amount of heat, and this heat is generally dissipated, so that's why you have fans at the top of the lift, है ना. So it dissipates this heat, and you need to dissipate this heat, otherwise वो steel wire इतने hot हो जाते हैं कि it can start melting, you know. So we don't want that to happen. So then what do? You go for regenerative drives. So today, have you heard about this word called as a heat recovery machines, okay, or heat recovery systems? So wherever the heat is produced, there are other systems simultaneously attached to the system, existing system, but other system takes the heat from this system and utilizes it. और फिर वो कम खर्चा करता है. So that way, I don't have to spend energy on dissipating the heat. At the same time, this heat, which is valuable to the other system, is utilized. So there also I'm spending lesser energy. So that's how it's a win-win situation. That's why it is called something as heat recovery system. I know. So the same thing is here. So that's why it is called as a regenerative drives. The system whereby the motor on which the sheave is that round wheel, okay, over which your ropes are sliding across, creating heat, okay, that are tapped by some technology, okay. I don't know exactly what it is, okay, since I have never installed a lift in my life, okay. I've only done the drawings for it. So that's how your entire क्या कहते हैं energy is converted, and it's a win-win situation. Ropes, again, not something architects should be excited about because it's not my job, okay, but still you will see that architects will inquire about it. And this whole thing came into picture when I think Burj Khalifa or some other tower, Shanghai Tower, I think, yeah, where Mitsubishi came up with this carbon core fiber, which was so strong that it like made steel look like baby, you know. So it's that, and so that means you can have normal kind of a cab but running for so long, you know. So it made the system far more healthier, better, faster, energy saving, okay, and lighter. That is important, okay. So yeah, significant power saving. So these are some of the things. Sorry. Okay. So what is destination dispatch? And now we come to the software part. अभी तक था वो हार्डवेयर था. Okay. The engineers would be required and everybody. Not that यहाँ पे architects required. यहाँ पे भी आपको engineers लगेंगे, लेकिन software के IT engineers you would be required. Now just imagine आप you enter a building. Conventional में आप क्या करोगे? You will go to the lift. Okay. You will press the button and wait. Okay, remember in many of your designs, Agika, I don't know whether I've seen your designs or not, whether I've commented to you, I don't know. But whenever a student tries to put one lift here and the other lift to the other side, As a planner, or I mean as an architect, we never do that, for the simple reason is I press this button, but visibly I can see that the other lift is coming down, I can see the numbers coming down, and I run there. But by that time that thing comes and it goes up also, so main na idhar ki na udhar ki. No, and this has happened so many. That is first reason. Second, you will have to give me two, and if it's a small building ki baat kar rahi hu, and you have a machine room at the top. If you have machineless room, fine. But if you have machine room, then you will have to give me two machine rooms because it cannot function because it's directly above the lift, na? The cutout will be directly above the lift. You cannot put a cutout somewhere else. कैसे जाएगा तुम्हारा rope? So that is another thing. Third thing is maintenance का problem. So you will have to lock, maintain it, safety factor, everything. So all this thing becomes too tedious. That's why it is known as bank of elevators. Hmm? You put elevators together so that it becomes easier. So if I press one and if the other lift is coming, I don't bother about this and I'll go into the other one. ठीक है? अब इसमें क्या होता है? वो लिफ्ट बेचारा आया नीचे क्योंकि तुमने बुलाया और आप तो चले गए, उसके लिए तो वो वेस्ट है ना, तो दैट मच एनर्जी इज वेस्टेड. ओके, so now with this kind of a dispatch system that is coming, okay, and this energy wasting is highly uh, uh, is the most when non rush hour is there. rush hour में तो चले जाते हैं लोग, होते ही है, आज मैं नहीं तो कोई और जाएगा, that will be taken care of. But in non rush hour this happens. Okay, and normally human tendencies वो एक से कभी खुश नहीं होता है. लिफ्ट के सामने जाके वो सारे लिफ्ट के बटन दबाता है, इडियोटिक है पर है, वो सारे लिफ्ट के बटन दबाएगा, जो पहले आएगा वो मेरा, ऐसे करके दैट इज द एटीट्यूड. Okay, to save their 1 second they waste so much of energy units that is dropping, okay, or falling across the meter when 5 lifts come down simultaneously for one guy because they are non-rush hour. So imagine, so कहने का मतलब ये, okay, so this is what happens in a conventional kind of a system. But if you can see the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and read it, DDS is destination dispatching system. Okay, is all about optimizing the flow of people and the flow of lift. How do you correlate that? So groups passengers for the same destination into the same lift, thus reducing stop. Win-win situation. कैसे? I have to go to 7th floor. Swati also has to go to the 7th floor. Mohit also has to go to the 7th floor, and we all go into the same lift. Okay? So if the lift knows that we all have to go to the 7th floor, it will stop only at the 7th floor. So मेरा भी time बचा और lift का भी energy बचा, है ना? Right? अब problem ये है, lift को कैसे पता चलेगा कि all three of us wants to go to the 7th floor? That is where your software things come into the picture. So there is a panel, okay, which is known as a DOP, that is Destination Operating Panel. As soon as you enter, the lifts are actually cordoned off. You are not able to go to the lift directly. You will have to pass through this DOP. And what is this? You look into the screen and it asks you, and it's very user friendly, which floor you wish to enter. You enter your number there. Okay, they will say that it's something like आप airport travel किया होगा ना, कितने सारे एयरपोर्ट्स में कितने सारे क्या बोलते हैं उसको, द डोर्स फॉर द पर्टिकुलर फ्लाइट, है ना, एंड दे टेल यू गो टू D1, door number 1. Okay, that is for say Kingfisher, the other one is for Air India, the third one is for another, I don't remember all the name of the flights, but yeah, so this is how it is. And so then we search, अच्छा D1 कहाँ है, and we go there and sit there. बराबर है, similar with this kind of a thing. Another example I can give you is share rickshaw. Okay, so very popular at Bandra, Parliament. So there are these people who will only go to Mithibai. So all the Mithibai students will go there. Okay, unfortunately there is no one who has given us the priority. So there is nobody even knows where we are. But still, Cooper hai. Vidyanidhi is known. Okay, so Vidyanidhi hai. So that is how people will group toward that rickshaw. And he will actually bolega. Mithibai, 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 ऐसे. And so then people will go there, they will enter in. So that's how, imagine one person going, wasting so much of fuel, congestion, blah, blah, blah. So that is exactly how the dispatch system works. ओके, सिस्टम गैदर्स द डाटा, आपने अपना एंटर किया 8th फ्लोर, 18th फ्लोर, 80th फ्लोर, वट एवर, ठीक है, एंड देन इट डायरेक्ट्स यू गो टू लिफ्ट नंबर 5, ठीक है, आप गए, सिस्टम गैदर्स द डाटा, डायरेक्ट्स इट टू द असाइंड लिफ्ट. तो लिफ्ट ऑल्सो हैज अ पैनल, ओनली थिंग इज दैट पैनल इज नॉट वर्क बाय यू, आप उसको कुछ नहीं कर सकते, नहीं तो अगेन पीपल विल स्टार्ट फिडलिंग इनसाइड. Okay, so you cannot do anything with that panel, but it is the lift is able to read that. Once within the lift, it takes you directly to your destination, and so in between stops नहीं होता है, लोग आते जाते नहीं हैं, आपको आगे पीछे नहीं जाना पड़ता है, you know, no one touches you and all that kind of stuff. So that is far nicer system. Okay, it so much saves energy, and I think hassles also. And these are some of the advantages. DDS provides important benefits, okay, including all this thing. Okay, first of all, decreasing energy consumption, as I already told you. Reducing waiting time. आपको बताया है कि 5 नंबर का लिफ्ट आने ही वाला है, क्योंकि ये लिफ्ट वहीं पे जाने वाला है. तो and again, who will know that this lift is coming down? DOP, because it is registering where that particular lift is at the present. So if it is nearing 3rd floor and you are saying 80, and that is the lift which can go to 80th floor, it will send you there only. Yeah? So that is how that intelligence system works. Minimizing crowding and congestion in the building lobbies, क्योंकि फटाफट लोगों का dispersal होने लगता है. As soon as you are asked, within seconds the lift starts coming, because that's how it is correlating with the lift ka destination, as well as the DOP knows that this lift is here and this is the first thing that's going to come here. That's how they do it. The system also improves accessibility, and the moment you see the word accessibility, कौन आता है दिमाग में? Handicapped people. So if suppose there are few people in the building who are working there and they come regularly, okay, they are the since there are other systems also. One, you have to actually type there. There are other systems like a card system. Okay, तो कार्ड सिस्टम कैसे होता है? आपको कार्ड दिखाना पड़ता है. तो कार्ड हैज योर पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन विच इज रेड बाय डीओपी, है ना. तो देन डीओपी नोज दैट दिस पर्सन इज हैंडीकैप, बिकॉज वो कार्ड में लिखा रहता है, बिकॉज टू गेट सर्टन फैसिलिटीज पीपल राइट देयर थिंग देयर. So if the moment it reads that, okay, you are given the first lift which is nearest to the DOP is assigned to the accessibility. Okay, so that's how it helps people. Okay, and that's how it optimizes. So that's why I say it is an optimization technique through and through. It also decreases wear and tear. ज़्यादा लिफ्ट आना जाना नहीं करना पड़ता, because only those lifts which will tell you वही जाएगा ऊपर. So that happens because elevators make fewer stops. Okay, it reduces the required number of elevators, because it is done very smartly. So you don't require, so from 50 elevators I can come down to almost half of them, because the way I have planned intelligently by using intelligent systems. Okay, so that's how the thing, sorry. This is the picture. So यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Conventional है. आप आए without anything, आप गए, and then you can see people wanting to jostle inside. एक छोटा सा भी जगह है, फिर बराबर बीच में जाके लिफ्ट अटक जाता है. एटिकेट्स तो लोगों में है नहीं कि पहले आप जाइए, लेडी है या जेंट्स, सब people are just elbowing each other and going in. Versus you can see below, and they have colored it differently. So all the green guys will go into this, all the orange guys will walk here, all the blue and reds are in this. Okay, so accordingly they will be spread out, and you can see these two pictures here, they are your DOPs. So if you have a large bank of elevators, you will have multiple DOPs. That is your destination operating panel, okay, or dispatching operating panel. Okay, so that is how DDS can help so much in planning of good integration between human activity and machine activity. Okay. So as I told you, the DOP are of two types. One is you manually write everything, or second, it digitally reads everything. So sometimes you have batches, maybe you are wearing uniform. If you are in a hotel, so sometimes you have to wear a uniform. People working in a hotel, so it will read your batch. और इट विल क्या कहते हैं, यू हैव योर RFID कार्ड होता है, रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी ID कार्ड. that card can be read, okay? Or you have something like a normal digital card, which you have it in the hotel also, that kind of a thing, or a card with a barcode on it. So there are various ways. You have different technologies coming up, and that is read by the DOP, and it knows you now, because that data is already fed into this. Okay, now we are talking in terms of microprocessors. So that data is already with the DOP. So it realizes, okay, this guy with this information means he is going on 9th floor. तो वो automatically he will, उसको लिखने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, just number flash होगा, go to number 12, and that guy will go to 12 or 9 wherever. ठीक है? So that is two ways of getting things done. Okay. Okay. This was all about technologies. Fine. Now coming to the planning part, where you and me come into the picture. Okay. Again, but यहाँ पे I will have to need a big help from the consultant. Okay. And what is that? First, in a high-rise building, how many lifts you require? What kind of lifts are required? Are there different systems of lifts there? Blah blah blah. There are so many questions you can ask. So first question is, how would you arrange the lift? So do you have zones? Hmm? Do you have sectors? What are there? What are sky lobbies? So these are the new jargons that are there. Please start writing them if you don't, if you think you won't remember. Okay. So the number of floors in a single zone should not exceed 18 to 20 floors. Okay. कोई बोलता है 15 to 16, कोई बोलता है 14 to 16. Depends on which company you belong from. There are so many companies. Schindler's List नहीं, that is a novel. Sorry, Schindler's Lift, Mitsubishi, Kone जो भी है. And so many others. Okay, ThyssenKrupp is one of the best. Like it's German, and Germans are known for their best mechanical technologies. Okay, so yeah, so you have these so many manufacturers, and everybody will have their own capacities and limits. Accordingly, they will suggest the number of zones. So don't get bothered कि अच्छा सिर्फ 18 to 20 था because PPT में ऐसा था. Nothing like that. Okay, sky lobbies should be introduced for buildings exceeding 50 to 60 floors. So now understand, say your building is say about 40 floors. Okay? You don't require a sky lobby. What is a sky lobby? I'll tell you. Uh, you will just require lifts which will go to only certain zones, or you can say something like a local lift and an express lift. यानी एक्सप्रेस लिफ्ट, जैसे आप गाड़ी का नाम रहता है ना, मुझे यहाँ से अहमदाबाद जाना है, आई विल टेक क्या नाम है, अहमदाबाद जनता लूंगी या अहमदाबाद लोकल लूंगी. आई विल टेक जनता ना, विच विल स्टॉप एट probably सूरत, बड़ौदा एंड अहमदाबाद. हो गया, 3 स्टॉप में आई एम देयर. वर्सेस दिस लोकल थिंग विच इज लाइक अटक अटक के जा रहा है ना, probably I'll reach at night, but सस्ता है ना, so because it doesn't give any kind of services. So yeah, I mean it's your choice, but so here it works on a similar concept. The express elevators, okay, will take you straight to the assigned floor. They are known as sky lobbies. That's why sky lobbies and express elevators go hand in hand. So that is one thing. Remember this. Sky lobbies are the place where you actually have to get down and change. So it's like you change station to take another. From Central to Western, if I have to come, I have to change my train at Dadar. Similarly, यहाँ पे आपको sky lobby पे उतरना है, then change to the local and go to your assigned floor wherever. So if you are on 65 floor, your first change will be 60. Then get down, take another lift and go to 5th floor. That is 65th floor. What is a sector? How do I give you an example of a sector and a zone? Okay, okay, let's take land use. When I say land use में रहता है ना, you have only residential, you have only commercial, you have only factories, yeah, industries. Okay, that is a zone. Sector वो नहीं है. Sector is different. Sector का example share market. If any one of you, what is a share market? Okay, markets में the shares are under certain sector. So you have technology sector. So all your L&T, तुम्हारा और जो भी है, everything will go into those sectors. Okay. You have something called as FMGC. So ये तुम्हारे सारे घर के products है ना, biscuits, Marie biscuit, Britannia, blah blah blah, and all that toothpaste and everything will go under that. यानी कि home products used at home. You have oil sector. You have IT sector, so many sectors, right? Pharma sector, okay. So yeah, I mean there are various sectors. So basically, group of companies working under same production of thing. Okay, it could be service oriented, it could be say like oil, could be like ghar ka products, or it could be like, as I said, technology. Similarly, in a building, you have multi, like Burj Khalifa. I come again and again because that is one building which is so prominent. It is still one of the highest. Very soon, a building against it is coming up. I think Jeddah Tower, planned there only, nearby. So the reason I'm giving Burj Khalifa is a lot of material is available, okay, which is not available on WTC, which is not available on say Shanghai Tower. But Burj Khalifa आप type करो आपको 1000 articles मिल जाता है, okay. So वहाँ पे you have multi restaurants happening, okay. Not only restaurants, you have 3 stars, 7 stars, 5 stars hotels happening. So what they will do is they will put all the hotels and entertainment under say one sector. Then there are offices happening, okay. Now all the offices can come under one commercial sector. Then there are residentials, and then there are service residential, yani service apartment. So they will come under separate sectors. So all that different things, okay, are put under different categories. That is a sector. Understood the difference between zone and a sector? I hope so. So sector can be non-continuous. हो सकता है एक बैंक यानी कि से सपोज HDFC का बड़ा हेडक्वार्टर इज हैपनिंग ऑन 3rd floor, बट हो सकता है ICICI is on a 6th floor. So they are not necessary together, they are separate. But zone doesn't matter. जोन मैंने बोला अगर 18 फ्लोर में तुम उसमें होटल भी डालो, कमर्शियल भी डालो, रहने के भी लिए डालो, चलता है. So that is the difference between a zone and a sector. I hope I'm clear. So a group of contiguous floors, okay, that are served by number of elevators. Transfer floor, okay, what is a transfer floor? It's a place where, as I gave you an example, sky lobby can come under a transfer floor, okay, where lifts will end and start, like a junction we have. जैसे मैंने आपको example दिया, like a junction, okay, where you have to go there, get out of the train and stop. You know, the train also stops there, like Vadala Junction, VT Junction, okay, or which other junction we know of, many other junctions, okay. So that's how you will have to, that's exactly how the transfer floor will also work. And then you have stack. A stack is a group of contiguous floors that are located away from the main building entrance. Yani ki you are just stacking, and this stack generally comes very high up. Those are known as a stack. Till then, they are normally used as a lift rooms or something. Okay, and a stack can contain number of zones. यानी zones को जब आप combine करते हो, you can say the stack number 1 has 5 zones. Stack number 2 has another 6 zones. Okay, so that's how you will differentiate stack, zone, sector, sky lobbies, express elevators, okay, and a local elevator. So the 6 new terms you learned today. Okay, I hope I'm clear. If any questions, please ask right now. Because next will be the types of lifts that will be used to achieve this, which is related with planning. So any questions? Okay. Okay, so these are the lifts का bare basic box दिखाया for you to understand how it is. Okay. Various kinds of technology have now come up. Various kinds, amazing technologies have come up. Single deck तो आपको पता है, what you have in your building, what I have in my building, it's a single deck. Goes to each floor. 10 meter per second चलता है धीरे धीरे. That is nominal speed of a lift. Okay, and that's how you will wonder why 10 meter per second. Car can go at 30 meter per second. Why not lift? Any idea? What is the maximum speed limit for a lift? Bombay में 60 is not allowed. 35 is the max limit you can do. Outside आप 80 पे चलाओ, कोई problem नहीं. Why do you think we can't go vertically up and down at that level of speed? Any idea?
It can cause uneasiness.
Yes.
Passengers.
High pressure difference can be created. Okay. So there was a research done. Researchers बोलते हैं ना, they sometimes come up with some amazing findings. Now this guy was doing this research and he came up with this finding that a airplane, when that is descending, and a lift when that is descending, if you scale them up, okay, if you see the weight of the lift and the number of people, and you see the weight of the aircraft versus the number of people it carries, the lift is more. Okay, now imagine the scenario. The plane is wanting to land. वो कितना मिनट लेता है? आधा घंटा ना, धीरे धीरे पहले सर्कल करता है, धीरे धीरे वो नीचे आता है, and then one fine time he aligns, or it aligns, the pilot aligns the airplane to the and then it lands. ठीक है ना, आराम से रनवे पे लैंड होता है. 30 minutes लगता है. You get time to adjust to the pressure if there are any in the cabin. Still you have that ear popping kind of a thing na, मुझे तो बहुत होता है. So I hate descending in a plane. So imagine a lift. It's not taking 30 minutes. Have you ever, can you imagine staying 30 minutes in a lift? Okay, impossible. So in 30 seconds you are coming from 60th floor to ground floor. Pressure difference क्या होगा? It can really hurt your ears. Okay, so that is one thing that all the lift people have to be very worried about. So the single तुम्हारा, that is the reason why lift का speed बहुत कम होता है, एकदम आराम से. Still it seems that with the new technologies that are coming up, the highest lift that is going to be achieved in the new tower, the Jeddah tower that is coming up, is about 20 meters per second, which is supposed to be the highest in the world. Up till now, the highest that has been achieved is in the Shanghai, is around 18.6 meters, if I'm not wrong. And I think I could be wrong, but around that. Okay, the second kind of lift is your double deck elevator. बड़ा simple सा concept है, एक के ऊपर दूसरा. So you have one car over which you have the other car, and it always goes as a couple. Okay. One stops at the odd floor and the other stops at the even floor. Okay, so it's simple. If you are at the ground floor, okay, ground floor is considered as zero level. So that's your even car. तो नीचे वहाँ से आपको probably वो कार नहीं मिलेगा, or you will have to then program your lift accordingly, or you have to say the ground floor is 1. You understand what I'm saying, na? So then suppose 1 is there, you enter into the lift, you can only, if you have entered that lift, you can only go to 1, 3, 5, 7, whatever. If you want to go to even numbers, आपको staircase लेके second floor पे आना है, go into the even wala and then take it. Okay, so that is a disadvantage of double decker, but the major advantage is it saves the saving is done in the core, in the sense your number of shafts reduces, because in the same shaft you are running two kind of a lift cabs. Okay, and carry handling capacity increases. Okay, and people are okay to climb one step aage piche, and then that's how it works. So this is always, it works in combination, never alone. You will never see a building applying only double deck elevators only in that particular planning. It's always mixed with the other thing. Twin क्या होता है? Again, two cars but detached from each other. So within that same shaft, उनको एक set level दिया जाता है. So suppose your floor is Burj Khalifa is say about 168 floors. Okay, I don't know exactly कितने हैं, but whatever. So if that is the number of floors, okay, how you say half the thing will be done by the नीचे वाला cab, half the number of floors will be done by the ऊपर वाला cab. And so the ऊपर वाला cab will not go beyond that 84 वाला level, and नीचे वाला will not go above 84 वाला. Clear? So within that, the running will happen. So they can function as two local or two express kind of a lift. So suppose if someone wants to go directly to 80 floor, they can take this lift, and this lift will only stop then at the 80 floor. Okay. So again, permutation, combination, as I say, lots of ifs and buts. Do you want to use it for every floor? Do you want to use it as a local? Do you want to use it as an express? वो आप पे आपके कंसल्टेंट पे, आपके बिल्डिंग के प्रोग्राम पे डिपेंडेंट है. ओके, बट दीज आर द सिस्टम्स अवेलेबल. हाउ यू यूज विथ व्हाट कॉम्बिनेशन is there, just out there. You have to figure it out. The express elevator stops at the designated floors called as a sky lobbies. This is just a small example to show you. So you see this straight orange kind of a thing, that is obviously fire lift. Fire lift has to stop at every floor. That has to, so that the fire guys can use it. And as I said, these lifts are then highly positively pressurized so that the smoke will not enter into that. Otherwise people will suffocate. Okay, so this is my fire. Okay, now look at the top one. क्या लिखा है उधर? Escalator in shopping center. So you can see this one is the shopping center. नीचे के 4-5 वाले जो हैं, I think 6 are there or 5 are there, I don't know, whatever. So that is the shopping level का तुम्हारा building है. So the lifts are only for that, within that kind of a thing. So it's like one zone, shopping zone. ठीक है. Then the grey one, the regular is the passenger lift. Stops at all selected stories. Okay, sorry. So you can see this gray one. You can see my cursor, na? My arrow. Do you want me to go to laser? Wait one second. Yeah, you can see this. So you can see this. Itna hi chak chak. So if this wala elevator will stop at all the floors. Same with this. Okay. Then you have another gray. तो यहाँ पे रुका, अब नीचे वाले से ऊपर कैसे जाएगा? सो वो वाला तुम्हारा लोकल हो गया. Then you have third local, and then you have fourth local. Now just pay attention here. Okay, I'll go by pen. Now instead of having 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 shaft, which is Pagalpanti, what I'll do is I will have 2 shaft. This is in plan. This is in elevation, in section. Okay. I will have lift coming up and down here, and one lift coming up and down here, which is exactly what they are showing. So this lift and this lift could be in the same shaft. This one and this one could be in the same shaft. Samjha na? This is how you save space. Got it? Okay. Then the black one is your obviously freight lift. एक ही है, सामान के लिए है, and वो सब फ्लोर पे रुकता है या designated store पे रुकता है. Okay, and depends, it can be programmed as per whatever it is required to, and accordingly it will be going up and down everywhere. And finally the white one that you see are your high speed lifts, or you can say express lifts, or you can say special lifts, whatever नाम आपको देना है, you can give that. ठीक है. So what it does is नीचे से आपको collect किया and it goes straight to this level. It will go there, it will go here, सीधा. Now if you want to go to this level, you get down at this. So this can be my sky lobby. Okay, from this level you get down. You can either come down into this lobby or you can go up via this. So this is where that exchange floor I told you. This is that. So why junction wala. So this is how the entire building is planned, zoned, sectored, and the lifts are then worked out. And the नीचे वाला जो है वो लिखा है, this all the orange पट्टी जो आपको दिख रही है, these are your service zones, technical equipment rooms. Okay, you can see the amount of area. Okay, so consciously done, trying to keep it minimum, which is quite low actually. This is quite low. Okay, all the light color areas are your hotel areas. Okay, all the gray one is your office areas. Okay, the green one that you see here is your event areas, यानी conference है, शादी है, banquets है, whatever. नीचे वाला area जो light green color का है, where I am marking right now, is your shopping center. ठीक है, and the blue that you see here is your data center. ठीक है, oh sorry, नीचे वाला जो है, sorry, this blue. So this is how your different zones having different functions, typologies could be fitted into one. That's why we call high rise is nothing but another small city. Yep. ठीक है. This is another example of trying to tell you what is a sky lobby. So these are the sky lobbies as shown here. You can see the gray one here. Okay, and this is the mechanical room that I talked about. See यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? Technical services. You will come across these various terms and jargons. ठीक है, कोई mechanical room बोलता है, कोई floors बोलता है, कोई technical services बोलता है. ठीक है, so whatever. Again, this is technical service zone on the top. Technical service here, sky lobby here, technical service उसके नीचे. ठीक है, express elevators, which see the white ones are the express ones, which is going straight to here. Then, oh sorry, the gray one. Sorry. The gray one is going all the way up this way. So that is how you will. I hope now you get an idea about what is express lobby. Sorry, lifts and sky lobbies. Okay. Tired of speaking. And this is the final. I think we are end of the yeah, almost now 3-4 slides and we are done. I have two examples, case study, and then we are done. Okay, just bear with me. So this is really amazing. This is fancy. It's like ये तुम्हारा कल का future है. It works on the same principle as your MagLab. Have you heard about MagLab? That is magnetic levitation technology. Okay, which is where your bullet train is technology is there. It works on the magnetic electromagnetation basically. Okay, so it's super light. Okay, frictionless होता है along a track because it is applying magnetic powers. It's super costly. Don't ask. It's super costly, but energy saving is also very super because there is no friction. So it works extremely well. Okay, and this is being planned by ThyssenKrupp of Germany. Okay, they are working on this, and very commonly this is known as multi, MULTI, multi kind of a क्या बोलते हैं उसको, system. Okay, the name of the lift is multi lift or multi lift, whatever. ठीक है, so it's ropeless क्योंकि the lift is going up also, it is going side also. lift ऊपर भी जा रहा है, side में भी जा रहा है, ऊपर भी जा रहा है, तो आप rope रहेगा तो कैसे घूमेगा वो, है ना? So this has to be ropeless because it is working on this. It works on magnetic levitation. Okay, you don't require ropes there. So that's the reason why the cabs can shift anywhere they want. And again, this completely works on BMS. Every controller, every cab का जो control है is with your BMS. Okay, and or forget, if not BMS, then it's control center, जो भी होगा वो. And so everything is controlled by this. So if the cab is here and a person is here and he wants to go down, okay, वो कितने मिनट में आता है वो पैनल पे लिख के आएगा, so that person can wait there for that much. And then so all this thing, I tell you, it's amazing technology. Okay, the kind of comfort, the security, the kind of क्या कहते हैं service this is going to provide is going to be tremendous. So now along with the vertical shaft, architects will have to plan horizontal shafts. एक कम था कि दूसरा आया, ऐसा ही है. Yeah, and this is a case example of Shanghai Tower. Okay, so you can see this is how it looks. This is roughly the plan of it, and this is how it is. So these are all local elevators. These are all local. Suppose you want to go to 5th zone, which is what they've shared here. So ये तुम्हारा 6th zone है. Sorry, the yellow one is your 6th zone. ठीक है, तो same उसका corresponding ये है. So the lift will come to 6th zone. So these are your local elevators, and then, or maybe sorry, express elevators. So these are all my sky lobbies kind of a thing, or you can say exchange floor, जो भी नाम देना है. No, sky lobby is a wrong name. Sky lobby will happen only after 50th floor. ठीक है, so these are all my exchange floor. So suppose I have to go to my office, which is somewhere in 6th zone. Why will I take this lift? I will not, na. What I'll do is I'll go to the 6th वाला floor or maybe 5th वाला floor. यहाँ पे 5th का ending किधर है? इधर. I will come till here, which is straight left. So मेरा कितना time बचेगा? It will not stop anywhere in between. I'll get down here, take another cab, lift and take it up. So that is how the Shanghai Tower is planned. Okay. So यहाँ पे लिखा भी है उन्होंने the detail of elevator arrangement in zone 5. So this is that zone 5 what they've done. So what you do is this is the express elevator. Okay, level 52 है. Passenger transfer from FX to FA, which is, so this is local, this is express. So till 5th यहाँ पे तक आप express पे आओ. Then when you want to go to 55, 56, 57, you turn around, go here, take a lift and go up. So that is how lifts are planned in a extremely high-rise kind of a thing. Lots of other techniques they are taking along with this. Okay, there are. Do you know how many numbers of lifts this star has? And it probably became famous because of that. It has about 106 lifts. Okay, and for various functions of the tower. And 3 of them are on magnetic kind of a bullet elevators, okay, which travels directly to the sky lobbies, okay, and observation deck, which is on 119th floor, okay. These elevators are obviously one of the best. It has all kind of facilities like LCD hai andar, music systems hai, firefighting systems hai, indicators hai, alarm hai, telephone system hai, communication system hai. Everything is there inside. Okay, it's one of the best, and it has a very high fire rating capacity. That is one of the best thing this lift has. Okay, and the lift ka speed is about, if I am not wrong, I'm not very sure, but around 16 hai. I don't know. Yeah, but this is how it is, and this lifts are again in a great amalgamation of all the types that I just said. Okay, some of them are double deckers, some of them are twin, some of them are single decker. All the local are single, अपने अपने floor पे जाते हैं और काम करते हैं. So that's how the combination of lift is coming together to give you access till 119th floor of the building. ठीक है? That's your Shanghai Tower, and the other example I have is One Trade Center. This is in the same site on which the Twin Tower was destroyed on. Okay, so the reason they decided to do this was obviously the history of Twin Tower, very iconic towers in the city of New York, having one of the finest function in the world. They were the trade center. Okay. And every city has one trade center. We also have one trade center, right, in Mumbai. Kolaba mein hai. So yeah, it was needed, okay, and so they went ahead. It is, if you can see the picture on the top, okay, it is one of the tallest structure of New York, I think, in America. If I may be wrong, but I don't know. So it's one of the tallest structure, and you can see it overpowers every other building around it. Okay, and that also has amazing number of kind of fire safety methods that they have taken. So this is how the thing looks. Okay, some 73 elevators, 11 escalators, 10 elevators travel directly from the ground to the roof. Thus, okay, 73 में से only 10. Can you imagine? So they are the only elevators which is taking you straight from नीचे से ऊपर. Why? Because Trade Tower in New York is one of the biggest tourist attraction. Okay, from there the whole of the New York City could be viewed. Okay, so they have a big viewing gallery at the top, just like Shanghai Tower has. Okay, so yeah, the 5 service elevators can stop at every floor, while elevators to the observation deck speed to the top without stopping. 2 diametrically opposite lengths. Okay, these express elevators are the fastest in the Western Hemisphere, with a speed of 10.16. How can it be fastest? I don't know. Or 2000 feet per meter, whatever. Okay, and tenants working higher than 64th story take an express shuttle to the sky lobby on the 64th floor, wherever that is. That's the end of the, I think this is the last, I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Mhm. So actually, yeah, sorry. So you have this, then and now. And where will we go from here? Probably we'll fly. I don't know. But yeah. So this is it. Thank you guys. Very long lecture, but thank you for listening to me. If any questions, would love to take them.
Thank you.